All right, so my name is Fred Pinzuk. I'm the CTO of Ecogenesis Biopolymers, small startup company with another business partner, Ms. Darlene Barty, based here in Los Angeles. This is a bioresearch kind of biomaterial application company, and we launched our own commercial products, which includes 3D filament. So Ecogenesis brand of Gen PHA 3D filament. And then we're in the development right now of branching out into TPU. So we have a partnership with a company called Algenesis based in San Diego, which produces a plant-based TPU, which we're working on right now. So hopefully shortly within the next 30, 60 days, we'll be able to introduce that into the market. It's a plant-based. So as PHA is plant-based, obviously, this TPU is also plant-based. So it's another branch or an expansion, so to speak, within the biopolymer industry. But we also do research and development for other customers. We've developed PHAs for very specific applications, for example, high performance applications such as shotgun wads. So one of our customers, EcoShot, based in Colorado, is making these shotgun wads, which are little plastics which are inside shotgun shells, which separate the powder from the load. Yeah. And these are typically made of polypropylene, polyethylene, and they get blasted out of the barrel into the environment. And this is a perfect application for PHAs, right? So it's,
that's awesome.
Yeah, it's a direct replacement for it. So yeah, we develop with other various customers specific applications for PHAs. That's kind of our expertise and our background.
That's amazing. And certainly after this, reach out about the TPU. I mean, that's exciting. Is it also going to be biodegradable, compostable? Those things.
Yeah, well,
different characteristics.
So the TPU is never going to achieve the certification levels that PHA has. PHA is very unique in the sense that the marine biodegradable standards that we follow, which is the two European standards of degradability, is really using cellulose as the benchmark, right? So the rate of degradation of cellulose within a marine condition, what does it take? Same thing with PHAs, and it must match or do better than paper cellulose in the same marine environment. And then obviously there's toxicity testing, and then there's also fragmentation testing. The rate of degradation of this TPU is not going to be like cellulose. So yes, it is biodegradable, it is compostable, but it is not at the same speeds.
Okay, but we're not talking thousands of years or anything like that.
No. And really on the subject of biodegradability and compostability, we should be talking about ecotoxicity, right? So even if it takes 10 years for a TPU component to break down in the environment, is it releasing toxic microplastics during that time? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If it's inert, then it doesn't matter if it takes 5 or 10 years. If it is contributing to microplastics and building up these toxins in the environments, then there's a problem, right? Then there's an issue.
Okay, no, that makes a lot of sense. Thanks, Fred. It's awesome to have the opportunity to talk to you. My name's Daniel McKay. I'm the owner of West3D. We are a 3D printing, 3D printer, components, and consumables company. We actually got started in the Voron design thing in the DIY space. However, now we sell we have a larger catalog of 3D printing supplies and components. Our sister company is Ambrosia Filament, which is a company that we started, or a brand that we started, I should say, about a year and a half ago. And certainly, yes, PHA is something that we want to support. We had worked with Beyond Plastics before to bring this to market to our customers a while back, in that we were selling under the Beyond Plastics mark. Very excited about that. There actually happened to be some social media posts and videos that made that product sell out super quick. And yes, we had bought quite a bit when the company had shut down.
Yeah.
And so I am super happy to be able to work with Ecogenesis on sort of bringing PHA back. We are located in the Pacific Northwest. Our customer base, particularly our local customer base, is very concerned about the impact that we have 3D printing on our environment. And so finding filament that is, I'll say, low impact generally is what we're looking for. I think we can talk about plastics and things being low or zero impact. Obviously, there's still inputs that go into it. I don't think we can ever have a zero impact product, but we've got something I think that should be something that we can progress and hopefully get more people adopting a filament that's going to have much lower impact. So thank you for having this discussion with me. And I know you've got questions for us, and I'm assuming this will be a nice back and forth discussion.